Let's craft a comprehensive test plan for an end-to-end e-commerce web application. We'll break it down into key sections and provide examples. 1. Introduction. 1.1 Purpose. Clearly state the purpose of this test plan. To outline the testing strategy for the complete e-commerce web application, ensuring functionality, performance, security, and usability meet defined requirements. 1.2 Scope. Define what will be tested, e.g., all user flows, specific modules, integrations. Specify what is out of scope, e.g., third-party payment gateway testing beyond basic integration checks, detailed load testing beyond a certain threshold. 1.3 Target audience. Identify who will use this document, e.g., QA team, developers, project managers. 1.4 Documents referenced. List any relevant documents, e.g., requirements specifications, design documents, use cases. 2. Test objectives. Verify all core functionalities, e.g., product browsing, shopping cart, checkout, order management. Ensure seamless integration between different modules, e.g., product catalog, payment gateway, shipping. Validate the application's performance under expected load. Assess the application's security against common vulnerabilities. Evaluate the application's usability and user experience. Verify cross-browser and cross-device compatibility. 3. Test strategy. 3.1 Test approach. Describe the overall testing approach, e.g., a combination of manual and automated testing, agile testing. Mention the testing methodologies, e.g., black box, white box, gray box. 3.2 Test levels. Unit testing, primarily developer responsibility, verify individual components. Integration testing, verify interactions between modules. System testing, verify the entire application as a whole. End-to-end testing, verify complete user flows. Acceptance testing, UAT, verify the application meets business requirements. 3.3 Test types. Functional testing, verify core functionalities. Usability testing, evaluate user experience. Performance testing, assess application speed and stability. Security testing, identify vulnerabilities. Compatibility testing, verify cross-browser and cross-device compatibility. Regression testing, ensure new changes don't break existing functionality. 3.4 Automation strategy. Outline which test cases will be automated and the tools used, e.g., Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, Postman. Define the automation framework. 3.5 Risk assessment. Identify potential risks, e.g., payment gateway integration issues, data migration problems. Outline mitigation strategies. 4. Test environment. 4.1 Hardware and software. Specify the hardware and software requirements for the test environment, e.g., operating systems, browsers, databases. 4.2 Test data. Describe the test data requirements, e.g., realistic product data, user accounts, order information. Outline how test data will be created and managed. 4.3 Network configuration. Outline any specific network requirements. 5. Test cases. 5.1 Functional test cases, examples. Product browsing. Verify product search functionality. Verify product filtering and sorting. Verify product detail page display. Shopping cart. Verify adding and removing items from the cart. Verify updating item quantities. Verify applying discount codes. Checkout. Verify guest checkout and registered user checkout. Verify address entry and validation. Verify payment gateway integration. Verify order confirmation. User account. Verify registration and login. Verify profile editing. Verify order history. 5.2 Usability test cases. Assess navigation ease. Evaluate page layout and design. Check for clear error messages. 5.3 Performance test cases. Test page load times. Test server response times. Simulate concurrent user load. 5.4 Security test cases. Test for SQL injection vulnerabilities. Test for cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerabilities. Verify secure password handling. 5.5 compatibility test cases. Test on different browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Test on different devices: desktop, mobile, tablet. Test on different operating systems. 6. Test schedule and resources. 6.1 Test schedule. Create a timeline for each phase of testing. Define milestones and deadlines. 6.2 Test resources. Identify the required resources, e.g., testers, test tools, test environments. Assign roles and responsibilities. 7. Entry and exit criteria. 7.1 Entry criteria. Define the conditions that must be met before testing can begin, e.g., stable build, test environment setup. 7.2 Exit criteria. Define the conditions that must be met before testing can be considered complete, e.g., all critical defects resolved, test coverage achieved. 8. Defect management. 8.1 Defect tracking tool. Specify the defect tracking tool to be used, e.g., Jira, Bugzilla, Azure DevOps. 8.2 Defect severity and priority. Define the criteria for assigning severity and priority to defects. 8.3 Defect reporting process. Outline the steps for reporting and tracking defects. 9. Test reporting. 9.1 Test summary report. Provide a summary of the testing activities and results. 9.2 Defect report. Provide detailed information about identified defects. 9.3 Test coverage report. Show the percentage of requirements and test cases covered. Example test case format. Test case ID, TC001. Test case name, verify product search. Description, verify that users can search for products using keywords. Preconditions, user is on the home page. Test steps. 1. Enter a keyword in the search bar. 2. Click the search button. 3. Verify that the search results are displayed. Expected results. Search results matching the keyword are displayed. Actual results, filled in during testing. Pass, fail, filled in during testing. Remember to tailor this test plan to the specific requirements and complexity of your e-commerce web application. Good luck!